Okay, in 9.6, we're going to talk about inverse trigonometric ratios. But before we do that, we're going to determine which of the two acute angles has a cosine of 0.5. Now, think about 0.5. Well, 0.5 is the same thing as 1/2, so I'm looking for a 1/2. Let's find the cosine of each acute angles. Okay, so the cosine of A is going to be, remember our saying is some old hag come around here teaching old algebra. Okay, so the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. The adjacent from cosine of A is the √3, and the hypotenuse is 2. All right, so that is not 1/2. This cannot be 1/2. So this one cannot be it. Actually, that one, if you put it into the calculator, you should get approximately 0.8660. Now let's do the cosine of B. Cosine of B is also adjacent over hypotenuse, which is coming from a different angle. And the adjacent one for B is this 1. And the hypotenuse is still 2. The hypotenuse is not going to change. Well, guys, that is 0.5. That's the one we're looking for. Now let's talk about it just a little bit more. Well, if I look back at these numbers, I have the short leg being 1. The hypotenuse is 2 times 1. And this longer leg here is the square root of 3. Does that make you think of the x to x and x √3 song? X to x and x √3 for the 30, 60, and 90 that we studied. Okay, in that case, then we know this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And as I've said many times before, the opposite of the shortest leg is the 30, and the opposite of the longer leg is the 60. So what I know about this is it's the cosine, the 1/2 is the cosine of B, so angle B must be 60 degrees.